to Dream It, Do It. It's day 15. We're at the halfway point. We're halfway through January, and I think that today is a really good day to take stock, and we're going to review where we've got up to so far with working towards our goals for our 12-week year, and we're also going to have a look at planning the next week ahead. So let's get on with today's video. If you've been following along with my Dream It, Do It series, you'll know that just about a week ago we set ourselves our 12-week year goals, and now we're at the end of week 1. So we're going to have a look and review how we've gotten on with the actions that we've been taking every day. In the 12-week year book, it suggests that there are 2 types of measurements that we can track. One is lead results and the other is lag results. Lead results is where we track the actions that we took during the week. So did we do all of the things that we said that we were going to do to move us towards our goals? Lag results measure whether we have achieved the actual goals that we set for ourselves. So as we do our review, I want us to start off by going back to the weekly plan that we did for week 1 and having a look at the actions that we highlighted as things that we were going to do this week to move us towards our goal. For each of those highlighted actions, we're going to give them a score out of 10 as to whether we did them or not. So if you got the action done, it's a 10. If you didn't do anything on it, it's a 0. If you're somewhere in the middle, give it a score. Do that for each of the actions that you've highlighted. Once you've finished giving each of your actions a score out of 10, I want you to calculate the overall percentage of achievement for your actions. Next, to work out the lag indicators, I want you to have a look at the goals that you wrote down that you wanted to focus on this week and do the same. Have you achieved the goals or are you partway through them? Give each goal a score out of 10 and then work out the overall percentage for the goals that you're focusing on this week. As a general rule of thumb, looking at the percentages that you've got for your actions and for your goals, if you're achieving a score of 85% or higher, you can be pretty assured that you are going to achieve your goals that you set in the 12-week year. If your score is lower than 85%, then in future weeks you need to be trying to up your scores to get to that magic 85% number. Now, it doesn't mean that you won't necessarily achieve any of your goals if you're under 85%, it's just you're less likely to achieve all of them or to be working to your full potential. As you calculate those scores, take some time to have a think about what could have gone better in the week, what things got in your way, and what you could improve for future weeks to allow you to get higher scores next time. Now that you've reviewed your past week, the next step is to look ahead and plan week 2. You're going to use exactly the same format as you did for week 1. So you're going to have a look at your 12-week year goals. You're going to pick the ones that you want to focus on, so your top priorities, write those out, and then brainstorm a list of actions of things that you can do in this next week to move you closer to those goals. Now, it might be different goals to what you worked on in week 1, that's fine, but the key thing is you have a think, you look at your full list of goals, work out what your top priorities are, put those into your week 2 plan, and then come up with a list of actions. As before, go through the actions, highlight the ones that you feel it's achievable for you to work on in this next coming week so that you are all set for starting week 2 and doing your daily action plans. Importantly, do be sure to make use of the things that you've learned during your review of week 1, and as we do that week on week, we're going to improve and get better and better at taking action and working towards our goals. That's all for today. I hope this video has been useful for you. Please do take the time to do your review and your weekly plan. It is so important to get you organised and feeling in control for the week ahead. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please do give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.